Welcome to SHYN video. Today we are going to show you how to use our SHYN Paste on these disgusting Gucci signature sneakers. Now as you can see, there's lots of marks in there, lots of scuffs. Now we are hoping to bring these shoes back to looking at least half decent. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our magic eraser. Now next we're going to dip it in a little bit of the paste. Make sure the paste is a bit wet. Okay, now you should always test the paste on a little sample to make sure that it doesn't damage the product. I have used this several times on the product, so it'll be fine. So what we're going to do is just wet that a little bit, and we're just going to start by really just applying that paste. Now it doesn't matter, it's not going to damage the color there, so we can go for it, and we're just going to really go for it. So just going to go all over that section. Now on this rubber bit here, you may want to get a brush and really get in there. But for now, we're just going to go with this. So as you can see straight away, it's coming up really clean. Like I said, we are really hoping to get these shoes back to brand new. As you can see, there's a lot of like scuff marks in there from these shoelaces. Same thing, we're going to get right in there. And straight away you can see those marks have just gone, instantly gone. As you can see, they're all there. And then we're just going to take those off. So I'm going to keep going with the shoe until the whole thing is done, and then I'll come back for part two. Welcome back to part two. So now what we're going to do is we have scrubbed the shoes. They've still got all the product all over them. Now I don't want to submerge the whole shoe in water. So what I'm going to do is just get a wet microfiber cloth. I'm using a red one currently. And I am going to just wipe off all that product. Now straight away I can see how amazing this come up. Now just here on the B is a little bit of the product. So I am gonna apply a little bit more water there just to really get in there. Try and be careful around that area if you can, but that's okay. Once again, as you can see, I did use the SHYN brush just on the edges, just to help loosen that a little bit. And then, so, as you can see, that shoe has come up amazing. So no scuffs on the inside, all the marks on the outside gone. I'm going to dry it off and show you. Welcome back. So as you can see now, we have this amazing new shoe looking as good as new. These are a couple of years old. So to be back looking like that is going to be amazing. I'm going to wash the shoelaces. As you can see, compared to the old one, which has not been washed, there is a really big difference. So there we go. How to bring your shoes back to life with the one and only SHYN products.